The Land Rover Defender has been around in its current form for a few years now. It arrived in 2019 as a more luxurious and road-friendly package, wrapped in a delectable Jerry McGovern design body. For urban buyers, its mammoth proportions and unparalleled road presence are half the appeal. But it caught our attention for a very different reason, one that's tucked under the bonnet. At first glance, it could be a regular Defender, then it clears its throat. And the secret's out. The version you see here is the 110 P425, powered by JLR's mighty 5-litre supercharged V8. Since this engine has been officially phased out, it's already an endangered species. It's been replaced with an emissions-friendly BMW-sourced 4.4-litre turbocharged V8. The supercharged 5-litre powertrain is available only on select Land Rover models, like the Defender, making it worthy of a collector's item. After all, how often does one get to drive a supercharged V8? Distinguishing the Defender V8 from the rest of the lineup is trickier than expected. The design cues are subtle and not overt. The easiest tell? Well, a set of quad-tip exhaust pipes peeking out of the lower valance, the only real visual wing. The rest of the package, including the interior, remains unaltered. And honestly, once the engine fires into life, it distinguishes itself with these. As with all modern Land Rovers, the Defender feels reassuringly solid. Road or no road, it gives the impression that it will live forever. The cabin isn't Range Rover level opulence, but you never feel shortchanged. A mix of materials, clean surfaces, and bold Defender lettering keep it firmly in the zone between tool and luxury object. Performance is where the Defender V8 leans in and says, "Allow me." A full stamp on the accelerator pedal makes you forget that you are piloting an SUV that's over 5 meters long and weighs a smidge over 2.3 tons. The car lunges ahead with the enthusiasm of a sports car and even stops like one, thanks to its massive brakes. The driving experience is enhanced further by the intoxicating exhaust note. The air suspension does a remarkable job. The Defender floats over rough surfaces with effortless nonchalance. However, because the driver sits quite high above the ground, at high speeds the ride may feel a bit unnerving to some. It wasn't built for corners, but the V8 makes a surprisingly competent attempt when you ask it to. To be fair, there's not much to fix. The Defender delivers almost everything you'd expect from a luxury off-roader. The real question is this supercharged 5-litre V8 the version to buy? At INR 13.9 million, it's not outrageously priced for a vehicle in this class. It does have a drinking problem though. Despite a 90-litre tank, you'll be making more fuel stops than you'd like. A diesel variant is more practical and kinder to your wallet. But we're assuming frugality isn't a priority for someone spending this kind of money on a car. If you have to get a Defender, this one, the last of the supercharged ones, is truly one of a kind. No future iteration of the Defender is likely to sport a bigger heart, and that's good enough for most.